Yo, my bad, guys. I had to answer my grandma. She talks for 3 hours. What's up, everyone? Sleep cheap. So the OGs have joined. We have Alex, Peng, Sleep cheap, Sam. Hi, nice, nice, nice. Don't try to explain that you're on the. Yo, today I had my exam. I just came home from school. Actually, how's your day? Really good. I felt good about the exam. I'm not gonna say anything because I don't want to jinx myself, but yeah, but let's leave it like that. Good morning, Musan. Hello, Ryan. Nice, everyone's here, and I got more energy today. I can focus today. How was your? It was good. I answered everything. In the first part, we had some auto grading, so yeah, you better pass or else your parents gonna. That's not a joke. They would actually fuck me up if I don't fix school. Not for real. Yeah. Okay, but it's good. By the way, guys, one question. Do you guys want to see my executions, or do you not care, or should I just do it like this? I know that's why. Okay. Yeah, I will do my best to fix it. Like, fuck it, school. Let me know, guys, if you want to see my executions or if you want to see executions. Okay. What does everyone else say? I will make it. I'm gonna try to fit it like super small somewhere so I can focus more on this. Oh, okay. Wait. It's still in the background, even if I. Oh. I'm gonna listen. By the way, I think it was Peng, and Alex. You guys said to me yesterday that I should focus on trading and not on looking at the chat, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. That's one thing. I wrote down actually some things I have to fix. YouTube streams a little bit delayed. Yeah, I got a shitty computer, bro. I have it on low latency. That's the max my computer can do. It should be alright, alright? Let me just see what I wrote down. Yo, what's up, Dark? No, true gurus never reveal the entries. Can you live stream on Discord? I don't think my PC will handle. The thing is, isn't it good that because when I take trades, nobody can like take it like when I do it, so they don't get fucked over when I lose. This is my primo. Okay, wait. Where the fuck are my settings? Notes. Okay, I will show my execution. It's fine. They are. You guys can also access to my track record if that's even working. Okay, two things. Do you want? Yes. Yeah, and the other thing is, about that drive up fake. Let me just show you guys my trade yesterday. To those who were here to the ending, this was the last trade we took. I have a question. I don't know if you guys know the answer, but the first drive up, so over this high, can usually be a failed auction, so a fake out. Fabio says never to take the first drive up, but how do you guys enter? That's where I'm at right now. Actually, I'm trying to see a best way to enter there. 124 members. Yeah, Dark. Today I did my exam. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully I pass. If I do it, then I will enter. Most likely. The delay not that bad. Okay. Yeah, bro. Price your trades first and focus. After you trade, then you do a recap of what. Okay. I'm gonna try to. How you say it? Jump in between, but I'm gonna focus more on trading today and less on the chat. By the way, I've already merged my profiles because these guys were overlapping each other. You can see they are overlapping each other pretty much, but I really like. Yeah, what else did I learn yesterday? Dark said something about low volume notes. Yeah, keep an eye out of them. I missed that totally. I'm waiting for you, man. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, so when I take trades, okay, this will just show it. What's up, Dev? Nice. I can see all the OGs have joined. I think we have some left. Let me put this like this. I guess my top stack will cover. I don't have it on my screen right now, but so it may be covering some of this part on the chart. I think that's fine. How does it look? It looks good. Hello, boy. Hello, Rio. Bro, for 5K subs, you should get yourself a new PC. Oof, 5K. Yeah, sure. If I get a payout, good payout. Do you still trade the anti-bias model? No, I have transitioned fully to, but the anti-bias model is based on concepts from Fabio. Like it's like mean reverting, and it's AMT. We accept value into, say we start here, and price accepts into the value area. It's just a retest of the, say example here. We retest here on value area low. Okay, I can see that you guys don't see it. Okay, so we start here, trade in, accept in, retest of this zone, and just aim to POC. That's it, or value area high. That's pretty much also from Fabio stuff. And I'm using it. Wish you great session, guys. Don't be greedy. Yes, you too also, bro. Probably, yeah, that last long would been a lot bigger, but gotta say and not be greedy. How long did it go? I didn't. Wait, where did we take it from? We take it. Oh, for fuck's sake. Yeah, okay. I see what you mean. Yeah, we took the pay. We took the money here. That shit. Oh, fuck. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Let's not be greedy. Why don't you trade it anymore? I do trade it, but I'm focused more on Fabio's stuff right now. I'm learning new stuff. That's why. But I will use it. I have data on that shit, and it works. For intraday entry, talk to more in your Discord. He's a real. Yeah, I know about more. I wrote to him actually today, and I asked him about entry approaches. I'm gonna look at it later, but yeah, let's see. Do we have news today, by the way? Okay, let me just fix everything like this. Let me see. I want to see something. I don't see anything specifically. Take this. Take this. Okay. So dealing range for today. Let's see what happened during pre-market. I don't see the chat, guys. If you're writing something, by the way, I'm watching. Oh shit! Okay, we got this. This low volume node that got shit on. Yeah. Okay, market opened. Okay, for intraday entry, talk. Yeah, okay. How did it perform over the 3 years you backtested? Shit, I should have some notes. 70 something percent win rate on value area low if we are bullish on the bias. 60 something on POC. But yeah, overall, what was win rate? Like I tested win rate on all of the zones, not specifically just because I had 3 approaches, and then the other the anti-bias into POC was 77%, 70 something like that. Market open. Good luck. Good luck, everyone. I'm gonna look what something more sent me. Actually, he sent me 25,700. I wanna see how he got these levels. Aha, okay, okay, okay. He extended that shit. That's why. Why can't I go low? The fuck is happening? Let me see. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, okay. So we rejected this high again, this zone up here. And I open up here one more time. Okay, well, this is a low fucking volume node compared to this. So maybe we can push higher. And we accept back into value. Okay, last line of defense up here for the sellers, and next push will be up here since this is. We also have this low volume node. Okay, okay. I'm gonna look for a buy if we break above. Do we have news? Okay, no news. That was it. Wednesday. Just waiting. What's what's up, Adam? Took a trade from 525,700. Where did you take a trade? 25,700. So where we are right now? Long. Okay, interesting. We got some trapped sellers. Maybe it will go in your favor. I'm looking at this poke. This down here. And I'm also looking at, we got a high volume node right there. Yeah, high volume node. A lot of balance here. Bullish or bearish today? Well, we open up pretty much, we open up below the value, but I'm still bullish. The pressure is up. Look at his profile. Pressure is up, but we rejected the high again, this zone. So I don't know. Let's see. Just aligning myself with the pressure. I'm out. Doing good. Got a good chunk out of money. 25,772. Wait, my shit delayed. You took profit up here? 772 when you entered. Okay, you entered previously, right? Like from here, maybe then. Because my price is right now here. Took a long on that previous day poke reversal. Trade must stop on 25,760. Took a long on that previous day poke. Okay, nice. Trade must stop on 25. What the fuck is my shit? Okay, you guys took it previous. Okay, okay. Can you please open F14 indicator? Yeah, sure. I'm just waiting right now, to be honest. Oof, look at this fucking sell aggression. Holy shit. I saw that I didn't have strong pressure to go down. And the day prefer show long, so I took it. Nice, nice, nice. I guess it's good. If you make money, it's working. I'm looking for not something. Let's see, where might buyers step in here? Do we have a specific level? Something. The only thing I see is okay. We got this zone. That's what's from previously. We broke past it. That was last line of defense. Now where they might enter. Where might they enter? Okay, we are at POC. What are we gonna do? Push lower. Now short look good. I don't know. We are at POC. We are at this balance. If I would short down to this high volume node on this zone. However, Pavlo, check Discord. The trader took is insane. Where did you post it? Was it in general? Is it you, Smash Tiger? I don't know what your guys are. Your name is in. Okay, yeah. Where did you short this from? Oh, you took it from that zone. Okay, nice. Nice. Clean, bro. Clean. I'm gonna look at these trades after. Okay, let's see. Buyers at top. Sellers getting shit on. Let's see. We are in. Why doesn't it plot for me? I'm gonna try something if we get it. Again. Yeah, let's give it a try. Could be risky, could not be. Let's see. Where am I aiming? 2 to 1? Something like that. Where is that? I'm gonna train my stop loss to break even. Why not? Let it go. Fly to the moon, bro. Do your thing. 22. Shit, my entry was here. Okay. Let's go for 1 to 4, right? That's it. Nice. Beautiful. First trade, 1 win. 20 stop over my beer. Yo, Peng, your and Alex advice is working. I'm focused on trading, not on streaming. Okay, first trade. 1 to 4. At 160, risk $20. Good job, nice, bro. Appreciate. I'm out buyer step in. Pozdrav iz Srbije. Great, very nice. It's good. It feels good. I'm gonna keep the momentum. Okay, I'm gonna risk what I win, but I'm gonna risk more. You guys see? Or you guys understand? Risk my wins, profits. Okay, now we are at POC here. No point for me to even look for something. I'm looking for buys now. I'm gonna stay out. But I know why you're doing. But the thing is, we are at POC, so yeah, we can expect some shit like this. But do your thing, bro. Don't listen to me. Trust me, don't listen to me. Do a recap later for others to understand why you took it. Will do. I can, yeah, we can. Damn, I would like to like have a button to like switch off all of these buy things, so I can like plot them, unplot them. Yeah, you understand what I mean. Okay, buyers are pushing. Buyers are pushing. Low volume node up here. POC is still here. Yeah, that's why I don't like this. Look, buyers are pushing aggressively. We retest POC now. Fuck these guys over. I see these low volume nodes, so that could be. Oof, it came to the fucking point. I'm gonna wait. Wait. I might look for something in case these guys are getting destroyed. Okay, maybe we get a retest. Retest. My field was shit. Not good. Ah. Will it hold? Nah, killing it. Damn, yeah, this is why I stay out of POC. My field was fucking. Lesson learned, one trade. We still up, it's fine. I'm looking for, but then I already shared mine on this, but I still might look for set. All right, if we push C, we will go up. Yeah, let's see. I got jabated by this POC once again. I saw this, buyers pushing, we came down, retested. Now these guys got trapped. So I was like, okay, maybe a touch and we go back to this. But stop loss should be here, right? Even in options data, okay. You know what? I hope. Wait, like on Top Step, you can't have like a predefined. You can have. I want to risk like $20. I want when I enter, it should set me directly to $20 risk. But I don't think they. Maybe I can. Okay, yo, wait. Risk. Set it to 50. Say 150. Okay, let's see how this looks. How can correlate one chat to another? One chart. Go on your on my right one, you right click, then you go drawing tool from other chart, and then you press whatever you have. So go right click and go to drawing tool from other chart. I wanna test my risk thing. Just for testing purpose. I wanna see how it looks. Maybe we can take some dumb trade back to POC just. Maybe a retest down here at 23 or 30 something. Let me see. Okay, 50. Nice. Okay. It places like that. Fucking, I'm gonna. Okay. It works at least. Sellers bottom. We're back in this zone. Okay, if I take a stop buy here, will it do the same thing? 24. Wait, 40. Let's see. Will it put 50? Okay, nice. I'm gonna take it just back to POC. Oh my god, I can plot later. Fuck that shit. Where is POC? 25, 650. What the fuck is that? There. What? It didn't hit on my? Okay, I'm scaling. Fuck it. Okay, same trade again. 2 to 1. Wait, why didn't it hit 25, 650? But it didn't take me out there. Okay, it's fine. Okay, we got 2 trades exactly the same shit. Okay, well, this was taken up here or something. Sorry, we are at previous week POC. We are at previous week POC. Okay. I saw, thank. On trade on got chopped off. Can you tell me what is the name of the indicator from the left screen? No indicator, bro. That's volume profile just. Daily volume profiles. Nice one. Took the same trade. Nice, guys. I'm still short. Good job. And you took long. Yeah, I only took long, just a scalp up to POC because of this. Trap sellers, buyers here, stop buy above, boom. Let's see, maybe we get it again. So we got some buyers aggressively entering here, back to POC. Okay, I'm up $50. Let's see if these sellers get shit on. And aggressive buyers entering here. This is not a good risk reward though. And maybe you can take something like this, I guess. But I don't like it. I like to have trapped sellers below my stop profit. So like here. So this is not worth it. Okay, let's see. We're moving. Profit target. Tip. And you tip is still nice. Profit target of breakout with order flow is beautiful. Be nice, bro. Very good. I would like this aim at move back to POC, but I don't know. I don't like where should I put my stop loss here? Down here? Here. Easy target to get shit on. And these guys are losing also now, so staying out of it. We are in this zone still, and I like it. This is the battle. Super clear now. Here. PPS slightly high compared to last date, but we're low in cure. They will go to don't long now. It's risky. They will go to 25,600. Let's see. They might go up. Let's see. Buyers. If buyers push above here, we go to POC. If not, High Chaparral, we go to. What the fuck is it called? I'm mainly interested in taking a long here in this zone. Trap buyer sellers. Shit. This could have been a trade. Look at this. To the touch. Boom. Back lower. Just a quick scalp. Where do you place your stop loss? No fucking idea. Okay, obviously, you place your stop loss how much you want to risk. So maybe something like this. But this is, yeah, I won't able to catch these trades, bro. You see me, I have to fucking go into top step. I have to zoom in. Fucking takes me 3 years to even fix where to take the trade from. Okay, we are in the low volume, high volume node right now. Here, I expect, or we can anticipate something happen. There we go. Nice, bro. You won? Yeah, you took, yeah, 25.6. Sellers on bottom. Nice, guys. My next trade will be risk-free since I'm up $50. One thing to pay in mind, look where value is at the moment, but we are building a lot of it right now on the bottom. However, POC is up here, so fair value is higher, and we are super cheap. And now we have this high volume node right here. Oh shit. Yeah, maybe taking a short isn't so bad, man, but where the fuck are we now? Whoa, 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 whoa. Calma, calma. Yeah, it makes sense why it moved like fucking hell. It moved through this. You guys saw it? Super fast through this low volume node. Yo, if we keep going lower here, I'm going short. Definitely. Next zone is fucking down here. Trapped sellers. Ay, 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 ay. News, bro. News? What? But bro, I looked on Forex. There was no news. The fuck? Bro, I was on Forex Factory. I don't have any news. 14th of January. News release 2:30 my time. So, how the fuck do you guys? You need to use financial juice for news. This news wasn't on Forex Factory. Oh. Yeah, that I didn't know. I thought, okay, lesson learned. Don't use Forex Factory. Damn, I learned always to look news on Forex Factory, and now it doesn't even show it. Financial juice. I use Forex and I have news, but okay, wait, I can take it up for you guys to see. Look at this. January and news red folder show that 2:30 for me. How the fuck do you guys have news? Yeah, I made filter. I only have USD. This is how who was it? I think it was TGR that taught me how to look at the news. It's yellow on forks. Make no. The fuck, bro? Was that yellow news? Are you joking? Hey yo. Then we're gonna fucking have news all the day. What the fuck is this shit? Okay. Ain't no way you're taking it. I did. That was like I thought that was like one way to no, it was always the same way for me to look at news. I didn't think there was like a correct or wrong way. It was just that way. High impact news. 14. Okay, so all of this shit wasn't visible for me. I only had activated the red folders and orange. Okay. If you break lower than this, I'm looking for POC down here. Why? Low volume nodes on the way. We have this resistance. This is the next zone, but right now, okay, let's see if we get, maybe it will become a break retest. Oh. But it's not strong break. Yeah, let's see. I'm waiting. I need some more confirmation. Obviously, we have these. Look at these guys. All got shit on. But we also have these guys up here. The thing is, this is a high volume node. If we break above it, I will look for something back up to this POC. If you don't break above it and we break lower, I'm looking for this POC. That's the plan for me at least. And my next trade will be risk free. Let's see if we can get something here. Let me see if we have some low volume node on the way back. Okay, we clearly have something here. Hopefully, if we break above, we don't get so much selling here. Let me remove all of this. Let's go. Reclaiming top. Need aggression. Sellers still here. Here's now they are in the low volume node. Let's see if we push above. Can we get some aggressive buyers here? Or we get a failed auction because this low volume node is right now holding. So a fill of this imbalance and push lower, or a fill and we move past it. Holy shit. Okay. No aggressive sellers though. Yeah, we got filled. Just curious how many times these type of trades is. So we know we had this low volume node, okay. And we know we had some buy aggression. If you blindly just take this, how often would this hit? You cover yourself above this zone. Look where it touched perfectly. Also, above this buy aggression zone. Wait, was it even visible before? Yeah, it was. Cover yourself right above here, so your entry is pinpoint here. I don't know. You cover yourself maybe here. You need the buyer to push it. Maybe scale down 30 contracts. No, it's fine, bro. Took another long on that. I plotted volume profile on previous push down to fair price. Took a long on that. Alright, don't say the fuck, bro. You my kids. Bro, don't say the... What the heck? Okay, my bad. Okay, my bad. No, stop. It's too white. Okay, I'm gonna try to not curse. Look, cuss. Damn, I didn't know. Oh. My apologies. Should I turn on some music? Wait, you're making like big trades as in risking like hundreds? What? And then what do you mean? I saw Fabio using 30 contract on his last live with Riz. It helps seeing. Yeah, you see a lot more. But if you scale higher, you see the bigger, like the bigger fishes. And they are obviously more impact. But I see what you mean. My English just my English just left the chat. Yeah, bro, you hear my English? Bro, if your left the chat, my left. Oh, I was about to cuss again. My English was never here, bro. Ugh. Okay, let's turn on some music, something. Let's search some really bad music. Let's see, no copyright. Okay, here, no copyright. Let's try this. How does this sound, guys? Yeah, and even with the bubbles in the side, you can see how big the digression is. Okay, it's perfect. Minecraft music, bro. You betrayed the yo Minecraft. Whoa, I'm missing trades, bro. Yo, Peng, I did it again. My bad. Shit. Okay, but to be honest, I would not catch this. Like, what is this? Okay, back to POC. Can we get something? Do we have a low volume node here? Yeah, we have. Look at this. And then we get some buy aggression. Holy. And the trade went without me. Ah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna focus now on the chart. Okay, but I don't think I would have caught this either way. Sure, we can have a buy stop right above here. If we had some sell aggression, that would be something. but this went too fast. It looks like we're accumulating to accelerate higher. Either all limited lol, like GG's. That would have been a good entry on value. Yeah, unlucky. Got it. More, you got it? Shit. How did you enter, bro? Did you have a stop buy above where I said, like the red zone, red line? 16th news again, just to know. Shit, this news, man. News everywhere. Will we go up to... Now we are at POC, but this is the next zone. The real question is, will we go higher? Maybe I can look for something. If we get some, not a failed auction right here. This is the thing. Here is the thing I need to practice. Like, what is the correct thing to do? Okay, we see this zone. We have POC below, which is not good. But now when we break above, how fast... You see, if you take the first push up, look, failed auction, move lower, boom. I guess maybe a buy stop right above here, covering yourself like this. If we get another push, could this be something? Because these guys have to cover themselves, but I don't like that POC is right here. That's the thing. So the stop loss won't be good, but I'm gonna try it. Let's see. In case we go above here, maybe we can anticipate a continuation. But we can also anticipate, so I'm gonna cover myself pretty fast down here. Small risk, 60. Only risking $20. Let's see, can we get a move up? Where is POC? Where is it? 700, right? Yeah. Okay, risking 20, making 60. Could be a good place to cover yourself, because now we got trap buyers also here. And we will go back to POC. Seems like, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna cover myself below this right now. Below, oh my god, I can't even see. You see how slow this thing? 666. Okay, basically risky even trade. I'm risking $7. Yeah, I'm not gonna be part in this if it reverses. Where's my entry? 70. 70.25. Okay, stopped out. Negative $7. It was so close to POC, man. Because I don't like POC below here. That's why I de-risk so fast. Obviously, you can go now, but... Yeah, no, I re-enter via heat map. Okay. You need to have deep trade on big numbers to filter noise. You know? Yeah, exactly. There's a lot of noise if you have a small size. That trade was good, but it didn't hit the target. And I killed the trade because I don't want to... This magnet below us, not worth it. Might go now. Why did it stop at this level? There is... Maybe we had... Oh yeah, it was a low volume node here, right? This was the low volume node. And it stopped here. Like, I get it if it stopped here, but it stopped here. I don't see anything significant that made it stop here besides we gained what? Look, we pushed through that low volume node like it was nothing. Yeah, okay, I don't know. Maybe I missed. Oh, I can't miss anything here. 660 and 630 are good support level from limit orders. 660. Okay, you mean on this zone, and 630. Okay, you mean on these zones. Okay, yeah. I think it will go now without us to my target. Happens. Maybe failed auction again. Yep. Back to POC. 660, we have that level. We also have zones here. I don't like this POC at all. That's the worst thing. This is why I hate when you take trades here. Okay, fine. This could have been a... You see? Back to POC. If I held the trade, stop loss. Big stop. Wait, we had some low volume nodes somewhere. Let me mark out all of this zone. Let me see. Okay, I'm only interested in this, to be honest. We got this zone. This. Trapped sellers here now. Buyers pushing. Could this be a play? Ay, Dios míos, this POC. I'm gonna watch this trade. I'm not gonna take it. Something like this. So the retest of this big order. Let's see. Yo, I'm back. Any trade so far? I had to go wash my dog. Yeah, we took one trade. It was pretty much break even. It was the 40 that pushed to POC. It was the 40 that pushed to POC. This one. Is that the one you mean? Damn, look at this trade. Yo, if we go above here, maybe some quick reaction. But however, if we push above this zone, these sellers from this big sell aggression, that's also something to watch for. I wonder if this could be a play, like for an explosion. I'm gonna try something here. Where is it? If we go above 97, No, maybe it's not so smart. Yeah, we put all. Yes, the 700 area has a lot of buyers. It has. Okay. I thought maybe we can get a squeeze. You know. I'm gonna try it. Maybe something like a buy stop right here in case it then it explodes. Then I have to be really quick to put stop break even. So maybe a entry around 96. Bet for a squeeze, a really quick squeeze. Okay, back to POC. Just fucking playing right now. Let me see if we got some low volume node. Nothing, right? We have below here. Okay, trap buyers, sellers again. Maybe it can be something to play off here. Maybe just a small trade so you cover yourself right below here. And they have an early entry in case we go up. But once again, this is POC, not the best. Really aggressively pushing. I'm gonna try it. Just something really small. Nothing big. Where could its cap be? Something like this. Not the smartest, but hey, maybe we get an early entry. I'm gonna cover myself pretty fast. Like right now, break even. Yeah, so it's break even. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. Okay, break even. Yes, they're also ordered on certain. This could be who if they decide to take it, as long as they're not giving up the pop. Yeah, I'm trying to find an early entry and risking a little. Obviously, I can hold the stop loss below here, but if we fall, then what the f? My bad, yeah, guys, no cussing. But if we fall, it's not the best, and we have POC here. I don't like it. But yeah. My buy order is still up there in case we come up here and explode above. Bro, take me to the moon if you want. By the way, I will have to turn off the stream earlier today. I have a Serbian, what's it called? Holiday. It's like Slava. That's the name of it. See? Holding that trade, big loss. Okay, I'm not gonna act like I know the market like that. I'm just saying. Dios míos. Don't force trades, let's be. Yeah. It's still too early to enter. Yeah. That's why I played really conservative. Conservative. How do you even say that? Maybe we might get something now. Where will buyers catch this? Low volume node here. Reload zone here. Here is a buy aggression. Maybe I move lower to low volume node. I'm gonna try it. Shit, my timing might be shit. Cover myself 2350. Let it go. If we push, we push. If we don't, we don't. Where was my 16? Something like this to this POC. My bad, not POC. Low volume node, 9650. Where is 9650? Oi. No, it didn't take me out. Now it took me out. Yo, man. Okay, good trade. Obviously, you can hold it longer, but I'm not so mad about the 1 to 3. Taking crumbs. Don't force, let deal. And then I'm looking for buys. Nice zone, bro. Nice one. Appreciate it, guys. W on that trade. I appreciate. Good trade. Maybe my entry was a little risky because you saw the buyers. It held okay, obviously, but could be better on the timing. But it's a win. Okay, I'm up $80. That's also good. Okay, this trade, let's remove it because yo guys, maybe okay, I don't know. Okay, we're back in the high volume node. What would want me to be bullish is if we push above this guy. We change the auction right here. Broke above. Here's high value here. Yeah. Sniper level. Okay, we accepted back into value, right? On this. Okay, now I just feel like I have 1,000 lines on the chart. Oh. Remove this. Remove this also. Let me remove everything. It's just noise at this point. Okay, we are in a high volume node. We don't need that anymore. Where did I get this line from? How much you up? $80. It's a good day, actually. First trade 1 to 3. I think we can go over the trades later. Damn, I have to go, man. Went to mark the low volume. Yeah, 1 second, guys. 16:33, guys. I have to go in like 5 minutes. Low volume node. Which low volume node? You mean from this move lower, or do you mean all of this? Because here we have no low volume node. You can go retest it and dump. Do you mean the previous low volume node? This one? We got a buy aggression here. Okay, enjoy the holiday eating. Okay, nice, appreciate it. On the left screen. Low volume node on the left screen. You mean this one? What do you mean? We also have this one. We got a whole lot of stuff. Okay, we got this test. Yeah, okay, market seems to slow down now. It's yeah, okay. Plus $80 for today. I think I'm done because my I don't know how you say guests are coming soon. Plus 80, we risked. Why am I? Oh yeah, okay, one trade could have. How much did it take? Yeah, that was a good short. See, that was it. But with no aggressive. Yeah, that's the thing with low volume nodes. I don't know what's the best to capitalize on them because, like, look here, for example. Do you take it blindly or do you just no sellers, no buyers, nothing is here? That's the thing with low volume nodes. I don't know how to use them that efficiently. Damn, 1 hour trading almost more profit than average 8-hour workday. Have you made money today? How did it go for you? Maybe a rotation back to poke. That's the last thing I would like to look for, if anything. Or so push above, validate these sellers. Yeah. Break above here. Boom, push it up. Yesterday we lost $40. Today I'm up 80. Yeah. The day before that, wait, let me check my 40. Okay. The buyer push through the step with damn 3K today automated and 4K. What the heck, Sam? When you see the buyer didn't push through it take the stack with low risk. Okay. Now power C, more entries better. You just got, yeah, it's true, bro. You guys corrected me good. 4K man was excellent. I forgot to close it there when it was done. Okay, bro. If you made 4K, if you made 4K. Holy. Happy accident, huh? 1630. How much is this? I'm interested here. It will be my last trade, if anything. We got low volume nodes all the way up here also. Remove all of this. Technically, you can have the most significant on the right. Low volume now, so I push back the poke. That's my last play, actually. Nothing more. Let's see. Gap. Yeah, currently unbalanced. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. It's just chopping. Yeah, happy accident, but also could. Yeah, that's true. Let's see where it breaks. Made one, but oh, how much do you have in university? I don't know. Hopefully, this was my last exam. Let's see how it goes. So if that's the case, then by June I should be done. Okay, maybe we can get something here. I want to see some aggressive buyers, something, some interest. Give me something. Okay. I'm betting that this will go fast to Poktan if it's going. How much am I risking? Not much at all, actually. I think I'm gonna risk at max. Yeah, timing seems like shit. Let's kill the trade. What? Timing was shit. Okay, I have to go, guys. What the heck, man? I put my stop loss there, it just happens. Okay, that's it. Alright, guys. See you. I have to go now. Actually, yeah, they seems like they are coming right now. See you tomorrow. And good job, everyone. What the heck? Get an MF trade. Yeah, I will. Okay, bye, guys. Good luck, everyone.